l'1 d'octubre votarem. Si detecteu algú que actua d'alguna manera violenta o actua d'alguna manera provocativa, intentant atacar els cossos de seguretat, no ho permeteu. Aïlleu-lo, detecteu-lo i desemmascareu-lo. Són els enemics del poble.
The hardest part of living is keeping what you've been given. When memories start slipping, all you've gotta hold is that feeling.
Reclamando métodos violentos a través de las masas como escudos humanos.
Ni el derecho internacional ni las constituciones de los países de nuestro entorno, y tampoco la nuestra, reconocen o proclaman el derecho a la autodeterminación.
It doesn't matter whether you support Catalan independence, it really is actually quite irrelevant. The issue is, do you support the right of the Catalan people to freely determine their own future without being dragged from polling stations and thrown downstairs?
No estan jutjant a 12 persones, avui estan jutjant a 2 milions de persones.
L'autodétermination, c'est un droit, pas un délit.
C'est celle qui voit M. Valls aujourd'hui avec toute l'extrême droite franquiste.
The hardest part about loving you are the parts that I can't share with you. Every moment that I'm missing you.
Man muss davon ausgehen, dass es hier ein politischer Prozess ist gegen demokratische Äußerungen und gegen Demokratie.
Weil dort auch Menschen wieder für Demokratie, Freiheit und soziale Gerechtigkeit auf die Straße.
Musiker, Künstler, Karikaturisten oder politische Aktivisten müssen ihre Tätigkeiten beenden.
We have to fight for our fundamental rights.
Just keep going, and
And Spain has to rise to the occasion, be a normal nation, leave its fascist past behind and respect the self-determination of other people.
25 years imprisonment for what crime? The right to self-determination is a fundamental human right.
Amnesty International, Human Rights Watch, the Human Rights Commissioners of the Council of Europe, and the United Nations, they all asked Spain to stop violence in Catalonia, to respect our rights.
No, esto es un juicio, no es un juicio, es una vergüenza.
I mean, it's not like you're going to have a referendum in all of Spain to say, do you want to let Catalonia leave? Well, that's not the question. The question is, do the people, the 8 million Catalans, we don't know how they're going to decide, you know. You might only have 51% who want to leave. But at least they have a right to decide. They have a right to express themselves. And that, as far as I'm concerned, and as far as the General Comment number 34 of the Human Rights Committee on Article 19, that is fundamental. I mean, there's nothing more democratic than a referendum.